Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's exam entry time and I'd like to help you prepare. Once you've worked through the ABRSM Grade 4 Theory and Practice workbook, and that's also presuming you've gone through the material of grades 1, 2 and 3 as well. Remember, it's a cumulative. And now you're thinking of taking the ABRSM Grade 4 Theory exam. The best way you can prepare is to complete lots of past exam papers. In order to help you, I've gone through several years of past papers and I've explained the approach to each question step by step. To date, I've worked through past papers from years 2015, 2016, 2017. There are lots more being added to that list. I've also worked through the questions of the sample papers X and Y. These are freely available to download from ABRSM and you'll find the link to that in the description. And these sample papers show you the newly revised layout of the exam paper from 2018 onwards. The exam paper has changed slightly in the way it's presented to you. You can also find the links to these video tutorials in the description, in the cards, and on my website. You'll also find the links there if you visit sharonbill.com. Also on that website you'll find some free PDFs. These have all the information that you need to understand to work through the Grade 4 ABRSM exam. You can download these PDFs in either US letter or A4 and they contain everything you need to know in your studies. Also on that website you'll find links to the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your exam time when you're working through your exam paper on exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel. There's lots more to come and then we can get cracking. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.